What's up, y'all? Welcome to the blurry vlog. So I wanted to start the vlog right here because we're actually walking to Geekdom just because I feel like it. But I want to know, does anybody else out there, do any of y'all hate daylight savings time? Because this is the same time that we come down here every freaking week. And it's dark, y'all. I mean, look, even the IBC building's all lit up. Which I ain't gonna lie, it's kind of cool because they're still building it and but they got the lights hooked up. Anyway, I just want to know if y'all don't like daylight savings time, let us know in the comments. He thought I was gonna say that I hated Lil Xan, but I was giving him a hard time about him. He's a rapper if y'all don't know. Anyway, but yeah, for real, because it's the same time that we're down here every time. And it's dark already. I mean, look, I look red because I'm lights. Oh yeah, by the way, if you come downtown, don't try to jaywalk on certain streets because they don't care. The elevator looks very ominous.
Like, should I go in there with a camera? Right? It looks scary. It looks like Final Destination stuff.
Not only that,
you realize this elevator has not closed?
yes, that's what I was saying. It's still open. You can get in there, it's all good. So this elevator hasn't closed yet. We're kind of worried about it.
I didn't get that. I was like, shit.
What's that beep? Oh, damn.
Now activating lasers.
What if it just drops?
Right? You jump in. Or
Then Vince, you're gonna have to jump down and save somebody.
he won't do that.
He ain't gonna save nobody.
You're wearing a Superman shirt, but he ain't gonna do that. Like, hey! I'll remember you.
And then there's gonna be a moonsault going on over here too. Moonsault and we'll pick him up.
Oh, I tried doing that once. It did not work.
Didn't work out?
I can do like a, I'm recording each other.
I know, it's a vlogception.
Yeah, it's, I can do like barrel rolls and all that stuff, but the moonsault, oh yeah.
Hurry up, kid, let's go. Really? You gotta dance? Seriously? I know these two weren't even looking.
So that you're trying to...
And it's neon, but I couldn't show them that neon that one time. Alright, Jay, I got a question. For both of y'all. Or Vince, you too, if you want to answer, but do y'all just love daylight savings time?
Yeah? No, I don't know.
I'm not a sun person, so I guess yeah.
All I know is that when we got here, it was the same freaking time, and it's freaking dark. And I'm like, really? I feel like we should be leaving, not just being here.
That's how I felt too.
Oh, and daylight savings time happened. I was playing Shadow of Tomb Raider, so I was like, yes, I got an extra hour. I was like,
that's what my daughter said. She was playing a game too, and I think she was playing Fallout.
yeah.
And then she was like, oh, I got an extra hour to play. Anyway, that's all I had. I just, you know, we're walking.
Dang, it's gonna be an awkward vlog.
Yeah, it is.
Well, one thing is I'm gonna give them some entertainment. I'm gonna run into traffic right now. I'm just kidding.
Alright guys, so we decided to hang out and Nate's on the phone, but there's a river walk. Who are you talking to? Nah, get out.
Nah. It's I guess. I think
Alright guys, so we're still downtown. We decided to try a bird, so we've been messing around on it. And here comes my son again on the bird. Is it better on the sidewalk?
Oh yeah.
So we're just messing around. We decided to do it just for the hell of it. He wanted to get some shots downtown also, but there's a lot of people because there's a show going on over at the Majestic Theater. So we're just screwing around, just having some fun. Why not? What else to do on a Wednesday night? Alright. Yeah. So we're off to get this kid's haircut again. A couple videos ago I showed you when where he went like that and did it, but I don't think we're gonna do it this time, are we? No. No camera tricks today. He's going to a dance. We're waiting for this train to go by. It's taking forever. I think it's actually at the end right now, finally. And it rained a little bit here in South Texas, as y'all can see out there. I don't even know if I'm getting it. Anyway, it rained, but we're gonna go get this kid's haircut. That's what we're doing right now. This vlog is all over the place, I know, but thanks for sticking it out. We appreciate it. Radar detector, really? Okay. All right, that's weird. All right, guys, so I'm walking through my house real quick because Nathan has a dance to go to. But I wanted y'all to see what he's wearing tonight. So that's why I got this. Where you at? So he's still getting ready. But y'all gotta see this for real. You ready? So anyway, this is Nate. Yeah. Anything was I? Okay, so this is my public service announcement to those of you that have kids. They're gonna grow up fast. Love every day. Hug them, kiss them, it doesn't matter. I don't care what you do. Just show them love, because they're gonna grow up quick. The next thing you know, they're born, then they're 5, they're 10, they're 15. My daughter's 20, y'all. She's about to be 21 next year. My son, Nate, in this video, in the vlog, in the suit. You saw him, he's 15 already. Hug your kids, make sure you tell them you love them every day. Be there for them, and just love on them. Do that. Dad, public service announcement over. So if you saw the video just a second ago, you saw Nathan in a suit. And I think he may have gotten a job finally because he wanted to get a job. I think he got a job with the Men in Black, y'all. The Men in Black. You see the way he was dressed? It was freaking...
What'd you say?
What's up?
What'd you say?
I said you look like the Men in Black, that's all. Because you do, you're in their suit.
I will be speaking with you later.
You ready to go to the dance?